go ahead and finish the video. It got cut off. My brother was calling me. Sorry about that. So let me show you some of the toys that my daughter ended up getting. So this was in a set for $1, and it was in a little bag. So she ended up getting this right here. It just sticks. You can stick it on stuff. It has a little thing right here. This is a little bath for her dollhouse. This right here is like a little fridge right here. Then she has, I don't know, a little chair. And then she got some keys in that little bundle.
I got one of this.
Well, she ended up getting like a little table and another little chair. So that was $1. And then a little pizza and a little desk.
And a little doggy.
A little kitchen, actually.
A little doggy.
And a little doggy. And a little toilet.
And now it's time. And now it's time to show you My Little Pony because I like My Little Pony.
Okay, so she found a lot of My Little Ponies today. So she found this one right here.
This one.
This one right here, which she's gonna go and wash right now. This one right here.
And
this
funny
one right
one.
here.
And this one.
I don't know how many she has already. She has a ton of them. And then she found this one. And then she found this little doll right here. She loves these because you can change their little dresses. You just squeeze it right here. You can change the little dress.
And this is a phone.
And she found this one right here that comes in that little bundle, that little dollar
and
bundle.
And the best of all, my Cinderella.
And her Cinderella. And let me see those.
Oh.
Let me see those.
I already showed them too.
Give it to me.
I already showed
And then
this one.
she got this little glasses right here. Where's Bubbles, or what's her name? The Powerpuff Girl.
Oh, I already showed her.
Where is she?
That's her.
This one? No, the little round one, the one that's mean. Where is she? And she got this little phone. The Powerpuff one, the one that you change the eyes.
Yeah,
and then my husband ended up finding one of these for our aquarium. How much was this, Rudy? 50 cents for the thing for the aquarium, little plants. Usually those are more expensive.
Mom, what do you mean?
Maybe the little Powerpuff Girl, the little round one with the mean eyes.
That's her.
That's not her.
Let me see, Mom.
The mean one, the little round one. The one that you got with this one.
Oh, Rainbow Dash.
No, Rihanna.
Mom, let me see.
The little Bubbles.
Powerpuff Girl.
The Powerpuff Girl.
What do you mean?
Maybe you guys left it in the truck. We're gonna go check. Okay, where are the daddy's chargers? Let me see them.
That's her. This is her. Let me see. Yeah, not her. Okay, then I don't know what you guys talking about.
The switches faces. One the mean one, when she's smiling, and then one
With the big head, the round head doll.
black hair.
That's not her. Anyway, let me see the chargers, please. Let me just get the chargers really quick. My husband ended up finding these chargers. And that one over there that's in the corner.
Can I go wash My Little Pony?
Okay. So he ended up getting this one right here for 75 cents. This is a 5-volt. That's what he said. And then he ended up getting these. How much was it for the chargers, Rudy? $1?
I got everything for cents.
Okay, so he got all these for 50 cents. So it ended up being the little boxes and the cable. And I'm missing that little Powerpuff Girl. She ended up getting it with the same place where she got this right here. And the last thing that I wanted to show you guys was my husband ended up asking for a little cactus because he loves cactuses. So he ended up getting that. He's going to plant that. And the guy ended up giving it to him for free. We asked if we could pay for it, but he said no. So he's going to end up planting it. And my mom actually wanted one, but anyway. Okay, guys, so that's all that we purchased. I'll go ahead and link down below the other video. It's just that it ended up messing up when my brother ended up calling, so sorry for that. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed all these garage sale finds, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Bye, guys.